Hello all, welcome back to our favorite V and Data channel. Today let us discuss how to alter the structure of the table. So let's get into the video. Today we are going to learn how to alter the structure of the table. So first let's see the syntax. Alter, it is a keyword. Table, again a keyword. Table name. What action we are going to do. Add a column, delete a column, like that. And column name, column type. Column name is new one and column type is varchar. So first let's see the table using a select command. The table has employee ID, first name, last name, age, email ID. So we are adding a column with name new one, which is of type varchar. Now the table is altered. Let's view the table. Yeah, the new column of type varchar is added. So how to delete this column? We use drop keyword. Now it is, if we see the table, the new one is deleted. We use a command alter table employee info table drop new one. This is one way to delete a column. There is another way, which is alter table employee info table drop column name. So first we add the column because we deleted the column in the previous step. Then we delete the column using drop column name. So let's view the table and see. Yeah, it is dropped. Now how to change the type of existing column? Alter table name, alter column name, age, type, what type we want? Varchar. So we are converting it to a varchar. Let's execute this. So age column's type is changed to varchar. Previously it was integer. Okay. Next, how to change the name of the column? So let us see. Here rename is a keyword used to change the column name. Here we are changing the email ID column to emp underscore email ID. Alter table emp info table, rename column to email ID to employee ID. So we have only changed the column name. We are not changing the column type. Okay. So let us see how it is working. So emp email ID, we have got this. Now let us change this once again back to the original name, like email ID. So alter table employee info table, rename column employee email ID to email ID. Now let's see the table, the column name is changed to the email ID. So next, alter table employee info table, alter column emp ID set not null. So here what we are exactly doing is we are giving a condition to a column employee ID where it should not be null. Initially we have not given these conditions, but now I am telling, like, if any data is added, the employee ID should not be null. So what will happen? When we try to insert a value in it, it is mandatory to give employee ID in the column. Now let's try to insert a value. Insert into employee info table uh, emp id, first name, age, email id. So we are only giving few values. Let's not give employee id and see what happens. So here first name AA, age 22, email ID aa@xyz.com. We have given employee ID not null. So we are expecting an error to happen. So we are getting an error. Null value in column emp ID of relation emp info table violates not null constraint. So as we set the column not null, we get this error. So it is telling like it can't be a null value. Now we give a value to emp ID and run the query. Now the row is added because the mandatory field are given. If I'm not giving the employee ID, then I'll get the error. So let's see how the table is there. The value is added. Now again, we change the values of other columns and try to insert without employee ID. Will it run? No, it will not run because employee ID is a mandatory field as we set not null constraint. Okay, what will happen if we drop the constraint? So let's check what happens. Alter table, employee info table, alter column, emp ID, drop not null. So now I'm telling like remove the not null constraint. We are dropping that constraint. Yeah, the drop comment is done. Now let us try to insert without employee ID column. It will get inserted because there is no constraint. So initially we have said that not null, like the value should not accept the null values. After that we have dropped the constraint. So this is how we alter a table. In our next video, let us see few more SQL and SQL analytics. Until then, it is bye from our favorite V and Data channel.